All right, so we're on site, gonna perform a repairability on this damaged shingle. As you can see, we're still kind of sealed down. What I want to do, looks like this is the edge, 1, 2, 3. This is the edge. So perform repairability now. I do have two options here. I have the roof snake and a flat bar, both about the same thickness. So I'll use a roof snake like most insurance companies require at this point. Just be as careful as possible. As you can see, the shingle pulls through that hole super quick. And again, pulled right through. The reason that's a no good situation is because when it starts tearing, pulling through like that, the shingle above it can't really go in the same hole. Exactly, see? I'm sure you can see that, but it just tore that shingle. Being as easy as we possibly can with it. I'll kind of get you a close-up of this. As you can see, the shingle is torn pretty bad. So, here you go. How's that look? There you go. All right, so let's go ahead and reinstall this. Again, taking our time, being as easy as possible. This is a repair we are trying to make. We'll make sure this homeowner's taken care of. So what I'm going to do is I'll actually use the roof snake for some of them. We all know the common problems with the roof snake. It doesn't drive the nail in perfectly straight. And what it does, you can see here, it damages the shingle below it, and it's also almost impossible to drive a straight nail in with. So let's do it the right way. My personal opinion, it can be a lot smoother and easier this way. Not lift the shingle as much. The less we can manipulate it, the better. Drive the nail 100% flat, the way manufacturer requires a repair to be done. Okay, repair complete. As you can see, the shingle is so brittle. Damaged those. These are starting. I'm not going to wipe them because some insurance carriers don't like to wipe, but there's obvious wind, or well, not wind, but creasing going on here. So again, we replaced this shingle. We caused 3 damaged shingles right above it. I would label this as a fail. And this is honestly the best spot I could perform repairability on. Like I mentioned a minute ago, everything that's up high, if we do damage 2 or 3 rows above it, getting into that ridge cap is going to be a problem. It's going to spill over into the shingles next to it. Same with over here. So I'm going to say that this roof is not really repairable at all. That tied into the fact that somebody performed a repair here and there's damage all around the repair as well. There's just no way we can repair this shingle with there's just no way we can repair this roof. One other thing I want to point out is that you guys have already replaced this slope once before due to a significant amount of damage. So it does kind of add up and make sense that the rest of the roof is definitely ready to be replaced.